This is a try not to get hit kind of game. It'll start when I press the green flag, and then the soccer balls will try to move around and they will try to hit tack, which is this like purple character, and then the arrows are how I'm going to move tack. So if I go ahead and hit the green flag, I can move. Oh, I got hit. And right when I got hit, I see the you lose sign. And then the code for this is tack, and tack says, don't let me get hit. And then when they receive an up letter or an up message, they go up. Blue, they go to the right. Green, they go down. Yellow, they go to the left. And when they're bumped, they show the you lose sign. This is the green arrow. It's when it's tapped, it's sending a green message, which tells the tack character to go down. Same for the blue, yellow, and red arrows. They just go in different directions. And then the soccer balls all have a variety of code. So they wait for a couple seconds, and then they set their speed. They do a whole bunch of random actions forever, do more forever actions, and then they spin. And then each soccer ball does that. They just have a different code on it. And this is the purple one, and this is the red one. It is a try not to get hit kind of game.